Flying Builder review. Well, that is what we are going to do in this particular video. Hi guys, welcome to this new video. Myself Shakti from shaktilema.com. So this particular software or the product is getting launched tomorrow at 9 a.m. EST. And what this particular product does is that it helps you to create stunning professional websites easily within minutes, and by which you can build any type of website, whether it is an e-commerce website or a corporate website or a branding website or whatever kind of website you want to build. You can use this product or you use this software, and you can build some really good website without having any kind of technical knowledge. You don't need to have any kind of coding knowledge or any technical knowledge by which you need to by which you need to build a website. But this is a very easy software or a product, I would say, and I'll give you an in-depth review of this, like whether this is a fit for you or not, and how this is going to help you in your business. But before that, let me tell you like what are the bonuses that I'm going to offer you in case you are picking this product using my affiliate link, which is just below this YouTube video. So the first thing or the first bonus that I'm offering you is how to make a squeeze page. This is a training where you will be taught or you will be trained on how to build a squeeze page, because squeeze page is something very important as far as your on make money online business is concerned, or if you're in a digital marketing field, because you need to have a set of email list or a set of customers, and where or a set of loyal customer, I would rather say, whom you need to convey all your like product launches or all the update that is running behind your businesses. And that is where a squeeze space comes into place, and this training will help you how to create a squeeze space by which you can start collecting the email ID of your customer. And the second one is squeeze space breakthrough. Well, just creating a squeeze space is not enough, but what are the elements required to be added to a squeeze space? That is what important. How that squeeze space is attracting your customers and they are entering their email ID. That's what a squeeze space is made up of. And this particular training will help you uh, telling you like what are the factors or what are the ingredients which is required in a squeeze space, and this is what this training is going to help you, by which you will be getting 100% benefit or benefit out of that squeeze space that you have built. And the third one would be how to build buyer list. So when you build a squeeze space, then definitely you want to have a you want to build a list of email of your potential customer, and this training is going to help you with that. And third, on the fourth one is a solo list building profit. Well, this is something very important, because with this is a video training by which you will be able to use someone's else email list, wherein you will showcase your product or services to others email list, and you can bring those emails into your list. And how you can do that, that's what this training is going to help you, because email list is very important as far as your digital marketing or your online business is concerned, because you cannot rely on any other platform or to run traffic all the time and get customers or get sales or get services or sell your services to them, because you never know if those platform bans you. The email list is the one which will help you to reach out to your customers and get the sales and services that you wanted to sell them. Well, these are the bonuses that I'll be offering you, and these are absolutely exclusive from my end. You will not find these bonuses anywhere else. And once you buy this product using the link which is just below the YouTube video, you will be taken to this particular purchase page, and this is the blue button wherein if you click it, all these bonuses you'll be able to avail. And one more thing, like apart from all my bonuses, whatever special bonuses are being given by the vendor to me, I'll give you that as well. So it's an additional bonus that you are getting from my end. So this is what the bonuses that I'm offering you as far as this product is concerned. And going back to the product, that is this particular software, which is Flying Builder. let me tell you like what exactly this is going to do for you. Well, what exactly this is that like as I said in the beginning, you'll be able to build a website, and building a website or hiring a tech guy to build a website is a very expensive affair, I would rather say. But this particular software will help you choose from dozens of section and 144 breathtaking stunning designs. So there are 144 designs are there. So I think 144 is a very good number to choose, and you have a lot of options to build a website for yourself, or if you want to build a website for someone else and get paid for it, then these designs will be helping you as well. So it is saying like more exciting and highly engaged combination of go with a few clicks. So just by clicking a few button within the dashboard, you'll be able to build that website and use the website for your business or sell them to freelancers. As I said, you can use it for yourself, or if you want, you can sell it to other people. And no coding or development skills is required. It's 100% beginner friendly, and you can download once the website is built. You can download the HTML and upload them into your server. It is not mandatory that when you have built the website, it has to be in this uh, the creator's server, but you can upload it to your server as well. So there are a lot of benefit that I see. Like let me also tell you, like if you are hiring a coder or a developer to build a website, they charge you very high, and minimum like 50 to $70 for a couple of hours. And also let me tell you that there are certain website creator or some sort of website builder in the market. So I have pulled up the comparison, like some of the famous like those website creators or website builder platform is one of them is Wix, which is charging you like somewhere around $4 to $24 a month. Similarly, Squarespace charges starts from $16 to $54 a month, Site 1 to 3, $10 to $28, WordPress from $4 to $45 a month, Zyro 12 to 30, likewise Elementor very famous, $50 to $100 a year, Jimdos. So like you can see, Weebly, most of these website builder, they charge you a minimum of starting from $5. It goes till like $50. So suppose say like with a beginner plan, definitely you are deprived of a lot of options. So definitely you'll be going in the intermediate plan. So there you'll be paying somewhere around like $10 to $15 or $20. So suppose if you're paying $15 a month for using their platform to have your website built, then in a year you are spending somewhere around like $300 to $400, like at least $300. But with Flying Builder, you are getting these options what these platform are giving you, and apart from that, you are getting a lot more options than what this famous the website builder are giving you. So it's a definitely advantage having Flying Builder as your website builder rather than those those list of website builder platform that I showed you. So if we come to the price, let us check like how much this particular product is going ahead and like, charging you. And this is insane. Let me tell you, like they are not even charging $47 or $97 or $197, but one time of $12 only. Well, this is an insane price, guys. So just by investing $12, that to one time, you are getting a product which is much better than what is there in the market. In fact, what the market leader is providing you, you are getting a much better product than those market leader, and that too at a one time price of $12 only. So this is a very like exciting and a very great offer, I would say, from this particular creator. And if you are planning, or if you are thinking of building a website of your own, or if you provide services to other people by building, or if you want to do that kind of business, then this software is going to help you immensely. And let me also tell you, like the building a website using Flying Builder is super easy. You can see over here. Anyways, I'll link the demo video as well for you to understand like how to build it, or how to like it takes a few clicks. Within a couple of minutes, your website will be ready for yourself or for your client, or for whomsoever you want to build. So you can see like you can just put your credentials, and download the stunning newly built website in HTML with ease. You can just drag and drop and choose 100 of options that are designs which are there and elements which are there, and you can start building your website. And the step 3 is that you can access and share with a free click in HTML from anywhere in the world. So this, in a nutshell, that's what these steps is being given. But there is a training module within the dashboard or within your once you buy this product. So you and it is very easy, as I said, and this would be a great opportunity for you, like since this is a one-time low fee. So if you are really planning for it, then go for it, and this will help you a lot of time. This will help you to save a lot of time, and of course money as well. And anyways, I'll be linking the next part of this video would be the demo one. So have a check on the demo video how it works, so that you have a thorough understanding how this flying builder works, and you can take a decision for yourself whether you want to get it for yourself or not. All right, guys, I hope this video was helpful, and if you feel that this video was helpful and beneficial to you, then please share and like the video. That will really motivate me to create this kind of review for the upcoming product that are being launched in the market. And have a great day, guys. Thank you very much once again.